welcome to Knowledge Hub by Sri Chaitanya. I am Dr. Bhavna, Zoology faculty. Today we are going to discuss important NEET questions for 2024 in the chapter which is called as Animal Kingdom, and exclusively we are going to discuss about the Chordates. So first we'll go into the classification associated with vertebrata. So vertebrata classification, the division is Agnatha as well as Gnathostromata. Agnatha means nothing but it lacks the jaw. Gnathostromata is nothing but which bears the jaw. So here you have to understand what is the class in Agnatha. The class is Cyclostomata, and here in Gnathostromata you have two classes. That is, one is Pisces, that is nothing but fishes. It has two classes, which is Chordates as well as Osteichthyes. In Tetrapoda, which bear the limbs, you have four classes, that is amphibians, reptiles, aves as well as mammals. So here clearly we are going to discuss about Chordates as well as Osteichthyes differences. So here in the Chordates, first main difference which you have to understand is it is exclusively marine, and that class Osteichthyes, here you have marine as well as freshwater organisms. The second main difference is Chordates means nothing but you have to understand that it is cartilaginous endoskeleton is associated with that. Class Osteichthyes, you have bony endoskeleton. That's why Chordates are called as cartilaginous fishes. Osteichthyes are called as bony fishes. Where is the mouth? Mouth is located in Chordates ventrally, and here in Osteichthyes, mouth is located in the terminal. Skin is covered by placoid scales. There the skin is covered by cytoid or ctenoid scales. Air bladder and operculum are absent. What is the air bladder? Air bladder means nothing but which regulates the buoyancy. But here, as air bladder is absent, they have to swim constantly to avoid the sinking. But in Osteichthyes, you have air bladder and operculum. What is operculum? Operculum means nothing but it is the gill cover. Next difference is heart is two-chambered, but as we know that fishes are two-chambered heart, both have only two-chambered heart. In males, pelvic fins bear the claspers. Here the claspers are absent. Internal fertilization as well as external fertilization. Internal fertilization means nothing but it will take place inside the body. External fertilization which takes place outside the body. The last difference which you have to understand is it is viviparous and that is oviparous. What is viviparous? Here they give the birth to young ones directly. In oviparous, they do not give birth to young ones. So based on this, we will see few examples associated with Chordates as well as Osteichthyes. So examples here under Chordates, only 4 examples you have to remember. That is, the first one is Scoliodon, which is dogfish. Second, Pristis, sawfish. Carcharodon, great white shark, and Trigon is the stingray. Both the scientific names as well as normal names you have to remember associated with class Chordates. Next, this is one small diagram for Chordates. Next, Osteichthyes examples. In Osteichthyes examples, exclusively marine you have as well as freshwater and aquarium. When you have marine, it is two examples are given here, which is Exochatus, which is the flying fish, and next you have Hippocampus, which is the seahorse. In freshwater, you have Labio, Rohu, Katla, as well as Clarius, which is Magar. In aquarium fishes, you have Betta, fighting fish, and Pterophyllum, which is angelfish. And this is the diagram associated with class Osteichthyes. Few questions we will see regarding these. Which of the following is a marine fish with air bladder? So can you guess which is the marine fish? Just now we discussed. So we have multiple options here. One is dogfish, another one is rohu. You have hagfish as well as flying fish. So based on the diagram you can understand that it is flying fish, and this flying fish belongs to the class Ostectus, which have the air bladder. Similarly, another type of question we will see based on the select the correct systematic position of the scoliodon. So how you will select? Based on the first slide, you can select under which classification it will come. So basically it is vertebrata classification, as well as scoliodon belong to the Pisces. It belongs to Gnathostomata, then Pisces, and then you have Chordates. Scoliodon is nothing but dogfish, and it belongs to Chordates. Similarly, another type of question you have, this is a statement type of question. So in the statement 1, you have to understand bony fishes must swim constantly to avoid sinking. So bony fishes, they have air bladder. So why they have to swim constantly? No need to swim. So the first option is wrong. Second option you have, bony fishes possess an air bladder which regulates the buoyancy. So this is the correct answer. Bony fishes possess an air bladder which regulates the buoyancy. Same are given in the options, whether statement 1 and 2 are correct, statement 1 and 2 are incorrect, or statement 1 is correct and statement 2 is incorrect, and then statement 1 is incorrect but 2 is correct. So here you have to understand that statement 1 is incorrect and statement 2 is correct. So next session we will discuss rest of the few questions associated with another chapter. Thank you.